as you can see, I've been using Caterpy Laces for quite a long time. I have my running shoes ones, so these are the Caterpy Runs. And then I recently found the Caterpy Airs also. One of the things that I really like about them is it's just one less thing I have to think about. I don't have to think about tying my laces each time. And I recently got some different shoes. These I've been wearing for a little bit, and I just hadn't got any of the laces for them. And I found that there's a new style, because I'd always bought the adult length and they just always were a little bit too long. But I found out that Caterpy also makes their short size length. This is the Caterpy Air. So instead of having the little beads all the way along its full surface, it just has them at the top. I already laced a pair up here so you can see how it comes together there and gives a nice normal shoelace look. And then it has the beads at the top here to be able to hold it so that the laces don't loosen themselves up. I already laced this one up as well, so you can see how it comes together there. Now, my feet, I consider them pretty regular size, but I'll show you how easy it is to be able to lace these up. And then you can decide whether or not you need the really long ones, which is the adult length, or if you need the shorter ones. For my size foot, which I wear a size 12, I'm 6'5", and I'm very athletic, so I consider myself having a pretty normal foot size. The shorter ones actually have worked great for me, especially here on the Air shoe. So we'll go through and you just unlace your shoe just as though you have any other laces going on. And then you just trace the Caterpys into your shoe in a normal setting. So just go through, we'll pull those out. And then the Caterpys come on in here. Now, of course, you've already did one shoe, follow the same pattern so that you're going through and it matches. Unless you want to do something different, that's okay. And the beads just pull right through. Go through, and they last a really long time. I've had these here. You can see the shoes are actually worn out before the laces are. And then I have multiple pairs as I go through the running shoes and utilize the laces. I've moved them from one shoe to the other also. So that's pretty nice to be able to do, is that the laces can move from one shoe to the other also. So we'll go through and just lace these up. And just go through the normal eyelets that you have here. It's really great to be able to have the shoes where you don't have to lace them up. They just slip on really easily. You don't have to worry about taking the time to lace them, and they stay on. They don't slip off. Because of the beads here, it really does hold the tension that you want it to be able to hold. And that's really the key to success, especially on the running shoes where the beads go the full length. But on the Air ones, you still get that clean shoe look. And then you put it through. Now what I do to be able to hold it in place is it has this second lace hole. So I'll go back through and just back it up so I can put it on there. And then pull it on through so that it's laced up there, and then just tuck the excess into the shoe. So it's really nice and very easy to be able to put those together and just tuck the excess. So this is all the excess that I have here on these. I can even open it up a little bit to be able to get it to be able to even out, and maybe I need to adjust a little bit to even it out. But on the Airs here, there's quite a bit longer length here that you have to tuck in. So all in all, really great. I love these laces so much. They work really nice, and it's nice to have the different styles, whether you want the running performance where it holds the tension throughout the shoe, or if it just holds the tension at the top on more of a casual shoe. They're so easy to install. I love them so much, and I know you're gonna love them as well.